Good morning, YouTube. It's your girl, Dee Dee, back with another vlog. No, it's your girl, Dee. We back with another vlog. Today is actually August 20. Wait. It's August 29th. And it's dark. It is like 6:30 a.m. in the morning. And we have officially hit cold. And for the last couple days it's been cold. You know, like that fall cold. Yep. He was a saint. Yep. She was a saint. I was like, living life like I'm a saint. Living for the Lord. Okay, anywho. Yeah, so good morning. How y'all doing? Y'all already know I'm on my way to work. And like I told you guys, I ordered me something. If you was watching my vlogs, you know what I'm gonna order. What I just ordered me. Not nothing fancy. Something small and sweet, perfectly for me. You know, I had to gift myself sometimes. And then I didn't pay bills, y'all. I had so many bills to pay. So I should be a little caught up by my next check or my next couple checks, even though I'm still gonna save. So yeah, you guys, I'm really investing in myself. If nobody invests in yourself besides God, which we know He does every day, we invest back in Him every day. So I look at my relationship, like with my children and my boyfriends. We're going to invest into each other, and we're both going to grind and grow up. We're going to well, not grow up, but grow up. Actually, yeah, get up together. So yeah, you guys, I'm finna hop on this city bus, take my black man to work. I really want some breakfast this morning. We're gonna see what's hitting. If I could get some breakfast, I don't know. We're gonna see. Okay, I love y'all, and if you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. Hit the bell so you'll be notified every time your girl posts. And then if you rocking, hey gang, and hey loves, and y'all have a blessed day. We did a Bible lesson last night with my grandma. She taught, and it was basically on having gratitude, waking up positive. Start your day off with prayer and positivity, so your day will be good and the devil will be defeated. Any negative enemies will be defeated. Not enemies, the enemy. Any negativity, any bad spirits, any negative thoughts or negative actions, anything you see need to be positive. Just have a positive, good day. And even when the enemy comes, you'll be prepared and protected. Have the whole armor on. Okay? Alright. So, yeah. I'll be back, and I love you guys. And don't forget to like and share and do subscribe. Follow me on social medias, y'all. Alright, y'all. I'm on lunch. This is what I ate for lunch today. Breakfast type of deal. And I actually forgot my cereal. I wanted that cereal so bad, but it's okay. But yeah, I meant to eat cereal, but so this is what I got. Cereal, waffles. This is called a chocolate bottom cupcake. It's so good. It's giving like Halloween vibes. Milk. And yeah, so I'm gonna talk to you after I get off work. I get off at 2. What up, vlog? I look crazy. Hey, it was busy today. Happy Friday. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. You already know. If you've been rocking with your girl, what's good? If you're new, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications. And yeah, I ain't on nothing. Woo, that's up. Woo. These stairs, baby, is too much. But yeah, today been crazy. I'm feeling good. I'm hot though. Them stairs killed me. But yeah, y'all already know my favorite time of day. Finna go to lunch real quick, you feel me? We might do a little shopping. I ordered me a little iPhone 12 just to work from. I'm gonna keep my Android, but I'm gonna work from my iPhone. So yeah, I'm gonna get this food and I'm gonna be back on here. I am out of breath. Like can't breathe type ish. Okay, I'll be back. So swipe once and you can go and say so breakfast, lunch, dinner. Hey y'all, happy Friday. I'm gonna just treat myself, you know, cause I really need it. I'm pregnant, so I'm gonna take good care of myself. I just got off work. Work was a good day. They love me. I love them. I love my customers. I'm literally looking for a second job. Just weekends, you know what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy, but I need the money right now. I'm trying to save. I'm trying to get a car, y'all. I'm trying to stack. So yeah, first spot we're gonna go to the nail shop. I'm gonna get my nails done, like really short. And then I'm probably gonna I wanna go see my daughters. Maybe get them something to eat or something. Maybe go to the hair store. We're gonna see. I don't really know. We just gotta we're gonna see how I'm feeling. If I'm feeling good, but our plans are probably nail shop, give me some food or something. Go to the hair store. Cause I wanna do like a ponytail. So that's probably what I'm gonna do. And yeah, y'all, I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get either to the nail shop or to the hair store. Peace. And I am gonna get me something like a treat or something to eat. So that's the thing about being pregnant. Food is. Hey guys, what's good? Sorry I haven't talked to y'all for so long. I got my nails done, so we did that. And then dedication to my mom. So then I'm with the girls now. We finna get, well, they're finna get McDonald's. I don't really know how I got here. They set me up. But okay, we're gonna get McDonald's, and I don't know what we're gonna get. We're gonna show y'all what we got when we get back on here. We got some gas. We got Abby, you know, my girls, Niley, Daisha, and tonight y'all gonna have fun. So y'all take your hair down and wash it. If y'all don't have it done or took down, enough, we gotta do it. So.
With my hands looking.
Oh well, you want your hair done. Be ready to go to grandma's in the morning. I'm gonna get up, go to the hair store, probably out south by grandma's house. Pick you up a ponytail.
We going over there tomorrow?
And I'm gonna talk to her tonight. Come get y'all stuff. It's about to fly up. Come get y'all stuff. So hey YouTube, we finna do a video. Well, I'm not gonna really do a video, but I'm gonna show you that before. This is my natural hair. I'm growing it back out. So this is how it's looking now. And I am about to actually wash my hair. I'm gonna try to do my hair tonight. I'm not gonna tell you how I'm doing it, but I am gonna show y'all when I get back. On here, I'm finna get ready to shower, and then do my hair. And then I'll be back. Love y'all. This is the before. And then I'm gonna come back with the after. So keep watching. Hey y'all, what's good? I wanted to show y'all my new Conair ceramic blow dryer, and let's unbox it together. Hey, so I guess it has all the cool, hot, medium, low, high. And that's what I need, like, to do hair. You gotta have the cool setting, so that's why I was happy about that blow dryer. So first off, they have the diffuser for the curly hair. That is an attachment that can go into the blow dryer. And I thought that was really cool. I've never had one with that on there. And then we had the little piece to help blow your hair out. I really need a comb attachment, but that's all they had. So that's what I went with. So I'm going to open this up right now. 10 years later. Okay, bam, there it is. I like the color of it. I like how it's clear. I've never seen a clear one before. But also, don't forget, I do need to get the attachment for the comb. And here we are actually opening up the diffuser attachment. If I can get it open. Okay, there we go. Bam. I can't wait to use that on my natural curly hair or my wig. Then the best part, getting the blow dryer out. As you can see, the Conair ceramic blow dryer. And it feels pretty heavy too. It's not cheap feeling. And here it is. It says 1875 Conair with the cool, high, warm, cool, high, low, off settings. And there it is. The color is very pretty. I just hope I don't get it dirty, like when I'm doing hair and involved with gel and spray and hair products. And here's with the first attachment on the blow dryer, looking real nice and ready to go. And here's with the diffuser, the second attachment on the blow dryer, and it is ready to go. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, YouTube, I'm just doing a little practice on my hair. Today was like a maintenance day for me, and I was with my kids today, so it was really good. I gotta still do my kids' hair, but I am right now doing a ponytail, and my hair is not straight because I do not like putting heat in my hair, so I'm growing my hair back out, and I was too lazy to even flat iron it, so I'm just gonna try to do a ponytail. Here is the ponytail. So yeah, y'all. I'll be back after this. Good morning, YouTube. I've been gone for too long, and I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'm having a little bit of uploading difficulties, so I might try to just upload some shorter videos. You know if I got a receipt? And if so, are you able to go back?
Yeah, I can
Yeah, can I use an app and I just get points to cash out? Sorry. Okay, y'all, but happy Sunday. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, so I am doing a receipt hog. So I am doing a receipt hog hat. So I am doing a receipt hog. Let me just get into the video. I'm doing a receipt hog app to where you buy stuff, purchase items, and then you save receipts. You save the receipts, and then you can like take pictures of your receipts and cash them out for real, like money. Like you can do PayPal. I think you can do a card or something like that. I had to get some food up in at grandma's. I do my kids' hair. Okay, I got bees out here. I can't do the bees. But other than that, I just got a little rally sandwich. Oh, damn bee. They gotta come get this trash. I know some states call it checkers. We call it rallies. But it's so good. And today's a Sunday and it's so beautiful out here. But I got the chicken sandwich, like $5 meal with the apple pie, the fries, the drink. Then I got on the side a little cheesecake ice cream thing. Cheesecake Sunday. I really want the funnel fries, but they waxing for them. And mind you, I'm on a budget. I've been eating food all week. Happy Sunday though. Labor Day tomorrow. What y'all doing for Labor Day, or how was y'all Labor Day? Let me know in the comments. If I even post this video might be way late because I'm having a couple issues. Technical difficulties. Did I say it right? But yeah, y'all. I'm waiting on my dad to come pick me up. I'm at Rally's, like I said. I'm just gonna go to church. I'm gonna hit y'all maybe with some clips at church, or if not, I'm gonna hit y'all up after church when I get up to the hair store. But all right, I'm gonna talk to y'all later.
Yeah, my gloves. Boy, I've been prepping since like I was a hope. Trust me, I know it is.